Hey guys, so this is me showing you guys one of my glueless wigs that I love so very much and that I use to grow my hair. During my hair growth journey, I would wear protective hairstyles like this one, and I grew my hair. This is my natural hair as of today. I started back in 2019. These are a little bit of pictures. You can see the transitioning that I was going through. Curl pattern just messed up, a little chicken head. But that all changed because I had nothing but time during the pandemic to properly care for my hair. And I started ManeBeauTea, which started off as a hair tea. And I used that after a shampoo. I drank the tea as well. But I would use it every time I did a shampoo. You can see the back of my hair was like really short. It was a mess, guys. But this is the progress. This is before trim. This is a silk press, just me wearing my natural hair and promoting my product because it really works. I use my leave-in conditioner when I'm blow drying my hair. I use the tea to use it as a strengthening and anti-breakage treatment. The hair oil that I use, that grew my hair. I put it on after I do a blow dry, before I silk press my hair. When I'm wearing the braids and the wigs, like I said, I wear glueless wigs, so I'm able to take the wigs off. They don't get greasy, and the formula anyways for the hair growth oil is super lightweight. Like I said, I do press my hair and my clients as well with it. I swear by this, so I keep it in the shop. All my clients use it. If you are familiar with me online on social media, you'll see that a lot of my clients have natural, healthy hair, and that's, my thing. So check me out and follow me for more.